guys, it's Toys Galaxy. Today we're gonna be doing the Minnie Marvelous Microwave Set. Look at this. As you can see in the box here, it says that the plate spins. And let's take a look at the back. Ooh, look at that. It shows what we're gonna get inside the box. I can't wait to open this. Okay, but before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Toys Galaxy. Okay, we now have our open set. Let's take a look at them one by one. We have Pretzel. We have a yellow bag of popcorn. We also have a container of soup. Look at that, that's Minnie Mouse. And this lid won't come off. We also have marshmallow because we're gonna be doing s'mores. This is the graham crackers. And it says there, Minnie. Got 2 of those. And to complete our s'mores, of course, is our chocolate bar. And our microwave. Let's take a look. Look at that. On the outside, if you can see, it's different shades of pink with a bow here and the picture of Minnie Mouse. It has different dials. We have a button for the s'mores, pretzel, the popcorn, waffle, the soup, and bacon. And this is our start button. And we're gonna try that later on. But first, let's take a look at the back. Here it is, and look at those shapes of mouse. And up top here is the on, off, and try me. So when this was in the box, it was on the try me mode. So we're gonna put it on our on mode. Let's see. And I want you to focus on this green plate, and there's a light. We're gonna try to push the s'mores.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Look at that, there's
Oh,
light.
the snacks are ready.
And let's see. Let's first try putting in our microwave our s'mores. So we have our s'mores. It's kind of hard to put them all together. Okay, next we're gonna try our pretzels. Let's put it here, close our microwave, and see what happens when we push the button.
Cooking together is so much fun.
There we go. Let's start. And I want to show you that it also has a timer. So for that pretzel, it says here 40 seconds to heat it up.
Time to enjoy our treats.
Time to enjoy our treat. And are you ready for popcorn? Put our bag of popcorn there and press the popcorn button here.
I love making healthy snacks.
And it says here 55 seconds. I don't know if that's clear to you. Let's see. It won't turn. I think the popcorn bag is too big for this microwave.
Yummy.
Yummy! Okay, let's open it up. And I think I got one more. Let's try this can of soup. Like I said earlier, this lid or top won't come off. So we'll put it here and press our...
Isn't this fun?
Okay.
Time to eat.
Time to eat! Wasn't that fun? I really enjoy this mini marvelous microwave set. And before we go, let me just remind everyone to please be very careful when using a microwave. Make sure you have your parents or somebody older than you to help you when you use a microwave. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Toys Galaxy. Until next unboxing, bye. Bye, Minnie. Let me cook again. Let me try to heat it up again. Let's see.
See?